Hi, welcome to the preview video for the Amazon Kindle International 3G plus Wi-Fi model. Hopefully you've watched the unboxing video, and if you have, you would have noticed how environmentally friendly the packaging was. So again, top marks to Amazon there. So what this video will do is we'll basically have a quick look around the device itself, and also just give it a quick go ahead of the review. So we'll get right to it. Basically, this is the official Amazon Kindle case. It doesn't actually come with the Kindle. It does cost extra, which of course we did get. Now, one thing you will notice is that despite the device itself being in a sleep mode, there's actually an image on the screen. Again, with e-ink displays, no power is consumed if there is an image on the screen. It's only when you change between pages that any power is actually consumed, and also when the wireless interfaces are enabled. Having a look around the device, you'll notice on the left and the right hand sides are buttons here. Now, when you are reading books, these are basically keys that will allow you to go backwards and forwards, one page at a time. It's good that they're on both sides, because both left and right-handed people, or whichever hand you happen to use, you may use the opposite hand for whatever reason, but it's great that Amazon had the foresight to have buttons on both sides of the device. Also, down the bottom here, you'll see that there's a QWERTY keyboard. So if you want to type text, which can come in handy, especially if you're using the built-in web browser, that's quite useful. You will notice though that there is a lack of dedicated keys for buttons and symbols. You can get at those through the use of the symbol key here. Having a look around the device itself, it might be a bit hard to see here, but try and do the best I can. This is basically a volume button, so decrease volume, increase volume. That's handy if you're listening to MP3s on the device, or also if you're making use of the device's text-to-speech capabilities. Moving right along, this is a 3.5mm stereo audio jack. So if you want to connect your earphones, you can do so there. Again, if you want to listen to MP3s or listen to an ebook being read to you, you have that option there. Here you have the micro USB port, which is to connect the device to your computer, and it's also to charge the device. And finally, we have the on-off switch located here. So what I might do is just switch on the device now. And basically this is the home screen, so you can see that there's a whole range of books that are on the device. My wife has been busy putting her favourite books on there, which is fantastic. But what I will just show you is just to show how the page, or rather the screen itself, updates, because it is using e-ink technology. I will show you the web browser. So you do that by pressing the menu button and then going down to experimental. And basically there are a few options there: web browser, MP3 and text to speech. So obviously I want to choose the launch browser option. Okay, so here's the Google website. So using the keyboard, you can just type in whatever you're looking for. So I'll just search for the blog, and I'll press the enter key. And Yeah, you will notice that it's well, black and white, so there's no color at the moment, but it is fairly functional other than the lack of color. To move around the page, you'll just need to use this directional button here, which is in lieu of a mouse. So you can see as I click up and down, you'll see that little hand, which now becomes a little cursor icon there, move around. So you can quickly move around a website fairly easily if you want. Now the web browser itself is based on the WebKit engine, which Google Chrome uses. So it is designed to be fairly quick in rendering, but also bear in mind that this device has limited horsepower in it. So you're not going to get blazing performance, and it may suffer on pages that have intensive amounts of JavaScript, such as Facebook, for example, or any sort of Ajax website. So, in a nutshell, that's the preview of the device. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the review. Thanks for watching.